Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can customize Canva template size. So first step you need to do is to search for Canva and you need to open Canva website and then you need to log in into your account. So once you log in you simply need to click on create a design. So once you are here you can see custom size. Click on that and let's suppose I want 1280 into 710. 7 I think 500 is okay, and click on create new design and wait for few seconds, and now you can see that I have the design that I selected. Here you can see 1280 into 500 pixel. So this is a process that you need to follow to customize Canva template size. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.